Let's move on to the second stanza. Okay, I loaf and invite my soul. I lean and loaf at my ease, observing a sphere of summer grass. I think you know the summer here, there is so much hot in India. Whereas it comes to in this kind of London or else America, there is summer is like somewhat sweet. Okay, he loaf invite his without any reason he wants to move here and there without any reason, means he wants to observe each and everything of his life. And moreover, I lean and loaf at my ease, observing a sphere of summer grass. You can see as grass. We have to observe the sphere of summer grass. If we lean, if we closely, if we observe the grass, we can get what we know. That comes under it included in the nature. Okay, so let's go on to the next stanza, the third stanza. My tongue, every atom of my blood, this from the soil, this air, born here of parents, born here from the parents the same, and their parents the same. Yes, he's saying my tongue, every atom of my blood, every atom of my blood, from the soil. I came from the soil. Okay, and this air, born here for parents, born here for friends. My ancestors and my family, everyone is belongs to this country. Everyone is belongs to this country. Everyone is equal. He's saying, okay, whether you may white or black, whether you may know in a religious perspective there is casteism, there is racism. So it doesn't want to include all these things. He just want to feel entire the nature. He wants to feel entire the things, the brotherhood, the togetherness, the oneness, the freedom and everything. He's expressing this kind of poem. And as well as, let's move on to the next stanza. I, now 30-year-old, in perfect healthy begin, hoping to cease not to death. Now, the poet saying, even in 37 years of old, he is healthy. Means how our person become healthy means, in nowadays, not nowadays, in previous days also, we can go for, physical fitness like gyms, and we can go for running and everything. So now the poet is saying in his 37 also is fit. Means that, he is observing the nature. It is because he is the natural poet. He is a romantic poet. That's why he is prizing the nature like Walt, Emerson. Okay, so let's move on to the next stanza. Creeds and schools in abeyance, retiring back a while, sufficient at what they are, what never forgotten. I harbor, for good or bad, a permit to speak at every horizon, nature without check, with original energy. He's saying creeds and schools in abeyance. Schools means the people belongs to the same community, and same things. For example, people belongs to the religion, same religion, or else people belongs to the caste, same caste, or else people belongs to the artist, some schools of artists. Schools means they are not educational institutions. Schools means the community people who are belongs to the same things. Okay, creeds and schools in abeyance, retiring back a while, sufficient at what they are. Means they have to forget everything. We have to come to the togetherness, the brotherhood, the livelihood. We have to feel that each and every moment of our life. I harbor, for good or bad, I permit to speak at every hazard. I have right to speak each and every problem of people and every problem of things. Okay, nature without check, with original energy. If we observe, we have to forget everything. We have to see everything by this nature. Okay, so if you really feel the nature, in the future we cannot get this kind of problems like racism, casteism, all these religious perspectives. Okay, so if it comes once, we forget everything. If we forget all these things, we can get the main, the flavor of the nature. Okay, I think you may understand this lesson. Okay, if you get any doubts, please drop a comment in this YouTube channel, so that I'll try to solve those doubts. And thanks for watching.